We are Healthcare Partners of Nevada. We promise to earn and keep your trust.
We promise to treat you like family.
We promise.
We promise to be an important part of the prompt community.
We are Healthcare Partners of Nevada.
We're Healthcare Partners of Nevada.
We are Healthcare Partners of Nevada.
Contact us today to learn more about our promise to patients and to find out how you can see a Healthcare Partners doctor.
The most important thing people need to know about a heart attack when it's happening is that the sooner care is gotten, the better they're going to do. And we actually have national standards now for the time from the onset of symptoms to the time the artery that's clogged and causing the heart attack is treated. That's 90 minutes. Well, isn't it interesting that with women, the average wait time before they even alert emergency medical services is 4 hours, and with men, it's 3 hours. So a huge amount of the time that could have been spent getting the care is wasted in terms of the person becoming aware enough that they're actually having a heart attack. Part of the problem is that the symptoms are not obvious much of the time. For example, unfortunately, one of the first major symptoms of a heart attack is cardiac arrest, and about a half of people can die as their first symptom. Now, when interviews are done with family members or people who were with them when that happened, they can find out that there were some symptoms invariably preceding the fatal event. But putting those aside, the ones that actually survived to get to the emergency room and get care, yes, the symptoms are not what people often think them to be. This crushing discomfort in the chest that rings the alarm bell for the person, that's not even one of the top 5 symptoms in women. The number one symptom in women prior to having an actual heart attack is just a general sense of dis-ease or fatigue or unwellness. Unfortunately, that's a broad spectrum of not feeling well. So every person who's tired and just not feeling their usual self isn't leading up to a heart attack. But the flip side is that that is the most common symptom preceding a heart attack in women.
What's some of the other symptoms?
A nausea, vomiting is one of the top 5. Sleep disturbance, interestingly, is one of the top 5.
So men, what are their typical symptoms?
Well, none of those are in the top 5 for men, interestingly. With them, it's more of the textbook or television idea of what a heart attack is. A pressure-like sensation in the chest, often going into the neck, into the jaw, into the teeth, with radiation into the arm. This can last 10 or 15 minutes as a warning symptom and then go away. And it might go away for hours or a day or two before coming back.